And guys, if you do this each and every week, there's no way you will not be profitable. This is how I. What's up, guys? Leo here from Leo on Forex, back again with another video. And in today's video, as always, each and every Sunday, I'll be breaking down the top setups for this week. So without further ado, let us just hop straight into it now. Okay, hopping to the charts. So as always, we start off with DXY. The DXY. Okay. So guys, I read a comment down in the comment section, and that comment said my chart is not user friendly or it's not student friendly, so I'm going to change it to candles. Okay, I get it. It's just that I'm used to trading that way. Anyway, so looking at the DXY, which is the dollar index, and if you do not know what the DXY is, as I've just said, it's the dollar index. It basically tracks the movement of the dollar, whether it's strong or weak, and we analyze it each and every week because we trade pairs that correlate to the dollar. Okay, so now looking at the DXY and what happened, the DXY continues to drop, going further and further downwards. The dollar it has no strength, guys. Looking at this chart, the dollar keeps on losing strength, and the bears keep on adding position on position onto this downtrend. So if I were to trade the DXY, I'd be looking for further sells onto this because you sell in a downtrend and you buy in an uptrend. So now hopping on to the top setups of this week. And guys, if you do this each and every week, there's no way you will not be profitable. This is how I get my top setups for each and every week. Top setups each and every week. So looking at NZD USD. So as we saw, the dollar was going downwards, and now what's happening when the dollar goes downwards and another pair, let's say the New Zealand dollar, as we see it now, is going upwards or strengthening, this is what happens. This chart goes up. When the DXY goes down, this chart goes up. So looking at this, what I'm looking for going into this week, as I've indicated here already, I am looking for a pullback into support, possibly for price to consolidate at that point, and then I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. So what you'll see on the 4 hour, let's jump on down to the 4 hour time frame. So what you'll see on the 4 hour, or what you want to see before you take this entry, is price move downwards. So like in a downtrend on the 4 hour charts. I know this is not the best annotation, but yeah, we'll have to work with it into this support level right here. And then here is where we'll look for possibly candles such as this one right here. Something very strong indicating that bulls are in the market, but those candles, you'll look for them on either the 2 hour or the 1 hour, and those are my entry time frames. So the next pair that I'll be looking at for this week is GBP USD, and GBP USD also something very similar because these are both US pairs, and the GBP looks to be very strong into this week, going into this week actually. As you can see, the momentum keeps on going. As these, when you look at these candles right here, 1, 2, you see a very strong trending market, which means the bulls, which are people who are buying in the market, means that they are very focused and they continue buying. As I did myself last week, I called 3 very beautiful setups last week, and it continues. I continue to be on the losing streak, and what helps me be on that losing streak is analyzing the markets before they open, having a game plan before they open, and then from there you just follow the game plan. Anyway, what I'll be looking for on GBP USD is a pullback into support right here, and then a continuation to the upside. And if not that, there's another level here. Just to annotate that level, there's another level of support here. And the reason I did not annotate or highlight this level is because I do not trust that it will hold So instead, what I'm looking for a break below that level, and then a continuation to the upside for more buys going into this week. And then after that, now we're looking at USD CAD, and this setup, by the way, guys, I've been waiting for this break for a while. I have been waiting for this break. I've been waiting for this setup for a few days now. Actually, I think a week. So has been moving downwards, but much more so, the reason I've been waiting for this sell setup is, for one, the dollar falling, and two, if you look at this at the very top, for those of you who trade patterns will recognize that this is a head and shoulders. So pattern, this is the left shoulder, the head, and then this is the right shoulder right here. So as you can see, that's a clear reversal pattern. For me, what I saw trend failing to make higher highs and started making higher lows, meaning price has officially reversed. And now what I'm looking for is sells. And this is how I'm going to approach this going into this week, this specific setup going into this week. So if you allow me, okay. So now let's look onto the 4-hour time frame for this setup. So what I'm looking for, which has already started happening, I'm looking for price to pull back into this support level turned into resistance, this level right here. And then from the way there, what I'll be looking for is for sell opportunities all the way to the downside. And my targets, if you guys want to know, my targets are right here. These are my targets. That's what I'm looking for all the way down there. And the next setup, the final setup actually, is AUD CAD, which similarly to USD CAD, I've been waiting for this setup for a few weeks, waiting for a proper pullback, one that I can capitalize on. And what I'm looking for now on this setup, I'm looking for price to continue dropping all the way maybe into this level right here. Give me some form of engulfing candle, and then I'll look for a continuation to the upside. And going into this week, it's a beautiful week, guys. Take it slow. The setups are very clear and very clean. Textbook setups. Just take your time and enter. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe for more educational content. And each and every week I drop shorts, I drop videos, I drop educational content. Not only that, but I also drop weekly market analysis. So hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more free content. Until next time guys. Peace.